Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, May 22nd. Norwegian Cruise Line is warning passengers about a new phone scam targeting cruisers booking airfare. This is how it works. A caller posing as an NCL employee offers to secure flights, collects payment, and then calls back claiming prices have dropped, but asking for new card info. One guest reportedly lost near $20,000. NCL says it only calls guests from specific area codes like 305, 954, or 480, and tells passengers to verify any contact before sharing personal or payment details. The cruise line also advises against sharing reservation details on public forums like Facebook or any other social media where scammers may lurk to gather info. And a California woman says Carnival Cruise Line initially denied her refund after she miscarried just days before her planned $5,000 Alaska cruise. Monique McChristian canceled the sailing on her doctor's advice due to serious health risks, but was told by Carnival without travel insurance there was nothing they could do. McChristian spent days pleading her case before receiving travel credits and an apology after her story gained national media attention. Another reason to always carry travel insurance. And MSC Cruises is revamping its specialty dining by rolling out a simplified menu and more flexible packages fleet-wide. Guests can now choose from most menu items for a single fixed fee with optional add-ons for premium dishes. Also, pre-purchase packages ranging from 1 to 4 meals will receive 20% when booked in advance. MSC says the changes will help with flexibility in making specialty dining easier. And cruise stocks were down on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation down 4%, 22.04. Royal Caribbean down 4.6%, 237.75. Norwegian down 5%, 17.22. And Viking down 3.7%, 43.08. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. tips@cruiseradio.net. And this week's Cruise Radio podcast, a review of Celebrity Silhouette, where you listen to your favorite podcast. Have yourself a great Thursday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.